त्वन्नित्यमुक्तपरिशुद्धविबुद्ध आत्मा कूटस्थ आदिपुरुषो भगवांस्त्र्यधीशः यद्बुद्ध्यवस्थितिमखण्डितया स्वदृष्ट्या द्रष्टा स्थितावधिमखो व्यतिरिक्त आस्से त्वं नित्यमुक्तपरिशुद्धविबुद्धः. All together is a compound word. Parishuddha, the second dha is Mahapranah. Vibuddha, second dha is Mahapranah. Now, Tvam ends in an Anuswara. The next word starts with Na, Nitya. So, it becomes Tvannitya. Anuswara changes to N. So, Tvannitya Mukta Parishuddha Vibuddha because of Sandhi. Then the Visarga gets dropped, Atma. Nitya Mukta Parishuddha Vibuddha Atma because of Sandhi. Kutasthaha is a compound word. Thamaha Pranaha. Visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. Adi Purushaha is a compound word. So, Kutastha Adi Purushaha because of Sandhi. Adi Purushaha becomes Adi Purusho because of Sandhi. Bhagavan Bhamaha Pranaha. Tryadishaha, Tri Adhishaha, Tryadishaha is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Bhagavams Tryadhishaha because of Sandhi. The N changes to Anuswara and a S comes in between. So, it becomes Bhagavams Tryadhishaha. Yat, Tu changes to D because of Sandhi. Buddhi, second Dhas Mahapranaha. Yad Buddhi Avasthitim. First Thi is Mahapranaha. Yad Buddhyavasthitim is a compound word. Akhanditaya Khas Mahapranaha. This is also a compound word. Yad Buddhyavasthitim Akhanditaya. Swadrishtya is a compound word. Drashta Sthitau. Thi is Mahapranaha. Adhimakhaha. Dha and Kha are Mahapranaha. Sthitavadhimakhaha because of Sandhi. Adhimakhaha becomes Adhimakho because of Sandhi. Vyatiriktaha, Visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. Asse, Vyatirikta Asse because of Sandhi. Tvannitya Parishuddha Vibuddha Atma Kutastha Adi Purusho Bhagavanstriyadhishaha Yadbudhyavasthitimakhanditaya swadrishtya Drashta sthitavadhimakho vyatirikta asse Yasmin viruddhagatayo hyanisham patanti vidyadayo vividhashaktaya Anupurvyat Tad Brahma Vishwabhavamekam Anantamadyam Anandamatram Avikaramaham Prapadye. Yasmin Viruddhagatayaha is a compound word. Viruddha second dha is Mahapranaha. It becomes Viruddhagatayo because of Sandhi. Hi Anisham. Hyanisham because of Sandhi. Patanti. Vidya Adayaha. Vidyadayaha is a compound word. It becomes Vidyadayo because of Sandhi. Vividha Shaktayaha is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranaha. Visarga is dropped because of Sandhi. Anupurvyat. Tat, Tu changes to D because of Sandhi. Brahma. Tad Brahma. Vishwabhavam is a compound word. Bhamahapranaha. Ekam. Vishwabhavam Ekam because Vishwabhavam ends in M and Ekam starts with a vowel A. It joins together to form Me. So Vishwabhavam Ekam Anantam Ekam Anantam Adyam Anantam Adyam. So the entire phrase becomes Vishwabhavam Ekam Anantam Adyam. Anandamatram is a compound word. Avikaram is also a compound word. Anandamatram avikaram aham avikaram aham. So Anandamatram avikaram aham prapadye. Yasmin viruddhagatayo hyanisham patanti vidyadayo vividhashaktaya anupurvyat तद्ब्रह्म विश्वभवमेकमनन्तमाद्यम् आनन्दमात्रमविकारमहं प्रपद्ये। सत्याशिषो हि भगवंस्तव पादपद्मम् आशीस्तथानुभजतः पुरुषार्थमूर्तेः अप्येवमर्य भगवान् परिपाति दीनान् वाश्रेव वत्सकमनुग्रहकातरोऽस्मान्। Satya Ashishah. Satyashishah is a compound word. It becomes Satyashisho because of Sandhi. Hi Bhagavan Bhamaha Pranaha Tava. So now it becomes Bhagavams Tava because of Sandhi. The N is removed and there is an Anuswara which comes, and also there is a S which comes in between the two words. So it becomes Bhagavams Tava. Pada Padmam is a compound word. Ashihi, Visarga changes to Su there. Tatha, second Thas Mahapranaha. Ashis Tatha because of Sandhi. Anubhajataha, Bhas Mahapranaha. Tathanubhajataha because of Sandhi. Visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Purusha Artha, Purushartha Murtehe is a compound word. Artha Thas Mahapranaha. Now, Anubhajatah Purushartha Murtehe because of Sandhi. Api Evam, Apyevam because of Sandhi. Arya, Apyevam Arya, Bhagavan Bhamaha Pranaha, Paripati, Deenan, Vashra, Iva, Vashreva because of Sandhi. Vatsakam, Anugraha Kataraha is a compound word. Vatsakam Anugraha Kataraha Asman. So, Anugraha Katarosman because of Sandhi. Satyashisho hi Bhagavamstava Padapadmam Ashistathanubhajatah Purusharthamurtehe Apyevamarya Bhagavan Paripati Deenan Vashreva Vatsakamanuggrahakatarosman. Iti dhruvastutis sampurna.